What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, I'm Emily Hayden and I post an easy and simple healthy recipe every single week for you all. Today's recipe is incredible. I've actually eaten it all week long and it's by far my #1 favorite recipe that I've posted on my channel. You guys have to make it. It's super easy, delicious, and it all goes on the crock pot. Enjoy the recipe, check out the taste test, and just know that this is gonna be the most favorite thing that you cook this week if you decide to do it. And you guys, you can make this and prep it for meals throughout your week, or make it for a bunch of friends that come over. It's really easy and delicious. But you guys, this was such an easy recipe. All you have to do is first brown your ground chicken. So make sure it's all nice and brown. Throw it in the crock pot, and then you take each ingredient, throw it in the crock pot, you give it a nice stir. You leave it on high for about 3 to 4 hours, and then it's all good to go. Ready? We're gonna make the first taste test. No idea what to expect. Oh my gosh, you're gonna love this. This is delicious. You guys have to try this recipe. I've been dying to try these chips all day long. Roasted red pepper Tostitos. And the plan is to make little nachos out of each bite. Let's see how it is. Even better. Do me a favor, if you guys enjoy these videos, go ahead and give this one a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you for the next video.